This is the VEVOR sliding shower chair, and full disclosure, they did send this to me for a review. All right, so this is a pretty solid chair. It has a lot of different things you can adjust on it. It's all very sturdy. So let's take a closer look at it. When you first get it, it will of course come disassembled, so you will have to put it together, but none of the pieces use any bolts or screws. They all use these push pins, so it was very simple to put together. And of course, the instructions were very clear on how to set it all up. And once it is all put together here, it's pretty sturdy, nice and stable. The frame is made from aluminum, nice thick aluminum tubes. It's all very sturdy, very nice welds on the different pieces. The piece in the center here is quite a bit thicker than the other pieces. And to me, this piece does look a bit more like stainless steel compared to the aluminum piece here, but it does say the whole frame is made from aluminum. Anyway, each of these legs here have some nice rubber feet on them, and there are these suction cup feet if you want to pull those off and switch them out. It comes with two of these, so you can put these on the same side and put that side inside of the tub. But then the seat someone can sit on has a bunch of these textured bumps on it. It's also kind of contoured to the shape of someone sitting on it. And then the backrest is very similar with that same texture, and it has some metal rods in the back supporting it. Now this chair has a bunch of different adjustable pieces on it. There are the legs here. You can adjust these up or down depending on how high your tub is. And at the max height, the lowest point is just about 20.5 inches off the floor. And then at the lowest height, it's about 16 inches off the floor. And of course, all of these legs are very easy to adjust. They just have these push pins on them. But over on the right side of the seat, there is this lever, and if you push that down, that will allow you to rotate this, and it locks in at every 90-degree increment. But it will spin 360 degrees if you just hold it down. So we can just keep doing this to spin it all the way around, just like that. Then of course, the most important part here, the chair will actually slide back and forth. On the back of the seat, or I guess on the front, depending on which way you have the seat facing, you can see there's a button here, and pushing that will release a pin and allow you to slide it over to the side. And you can slide it both ways, glides pretty nicely, and you can see on each end, as well as in the center here, there is a hole that it will lock into. It has these nice helper bars on the side. They have a foam covering on them, so they're a bit nicer to grab onto. Nice and sturdy, nice spot to grab onto to help someone in and out. But if you do need to move them out of the way, there's a button on the side here, and pushing that, you can lift them up and out of the way. And these are also adjustable. I currently have them all the way out, but there are a few different holes on the bottom there. They just use some push pins like the legs, and you can adjust them in a little bit. Also, when it comes to the seat, I forgot to mention it before, but there are a bunch of holes in the bottom here, and these are actually drainage holes just to help the water drain out a bit better. Then of course you will also notice there's a seat belt on here. This is adjustable, and it just uses a pretty simple clip. But anyway, now sitting on here, I mean, it's not the most comfortable thing ever. It is just a solid plastic, but it's comfortable enough for what it is. Nice handlebars on the side. They feel pretty solid. They can hold quite a bit of weight. The backrest does have a little bit of flex to it, but it's plenty solid enough. And then using this to slide side to side, even with all of my weight on here, it does still very easily glide side to side. Same for turning it, feels very smooth, very easy to turn in a circle. No issues there. And like I said before, just the overall stability of this is very good. It's nice and stable. So yeah, overall pretty solid tub transfer chair. It's nice and sturdy, has some different helpful features, very adjustable. It's also very easy to assemble and works great.